Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mkosinaphile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining me. Thank you very much for coming. Akhohlwa ukusubscribe, like a video, share a video, as well as ukubuka ama-ads. Ngiyabonga kakhulu guys. So I want to touch on something about uthando nesithembu. Like ngangishilo before guys, ngathi ngiyawenza ama-reviews but not every time. So that's why sometimes you see I only come sometimes ama-episodes esedlalile ngizokhuluma ke ngodaba enzobe ngifuna ukukhuluma ngalo. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngomndeni wakaCele when it comes to this particular video. Bafowethu, I've seen people complaining ukuthi ayi umndeni kaMama Macele, no man. They are way too forward. I'm sorry because kunabantu abadala lapha, you know what I mean. Siyazi ukuthi udaba luka wife number 5 kakhulu ngathi luhandlishwa nguMacele. She's the only wife who's very accepting when it comes to uMakhwela. Other wives are just not budging, okay? It looks like they are not budging, but ke ngoba ayikho into abangayenza, they just accepting ukuthi sekukhona ke uMakhwela wife number 5, right? But ke siyazi ukuthi phela ngathi akunamamezala lapha kaMseleku. Umuntu nje uMseleku asebenzisana naye when it comes to wife number 5 nguMama Macele, who is unkosikazi wakhe oqala uMama uNdlunkulu. Wavuma wathi baba uMsamseleku akamletheke as long as engasonisa ncinza ke eselotsholiwe mhlambe njengoba kodwa sizwa ngathi kuthiwa yonke into ayenzekanga nje, they are just playing this out. But anyways, sibonile baba uMsamseleku ke eyomethula ke kuMama Macele. uMama Macele fike emamkela ntoni whatever abayidiscussile, we've done those videos, right? So lana sifuna ukukhuluma ngomndeni wakaCele, right? Abantu bakhala ngokuthi kanti why yonke into ethi Makhwela inabakaCele phakathi. Like uyabona nje nalaphana nje abakaCele bakhona kaMseleku laphana ngasesiphaka endlini kaMama Macele. Yonke into ethi Makhwela bakuyo. So abantu bayazibuza ukuthi why manje ngoba uMacele kuna la isike samuzwa khona ethi kuMakhwela angeni mamezalo wakho. Mina ngithe mangifika la kaMseleku angimficanga umamezala, nawe intombi ke awungificanga umamezala, angeni mamezalo wakho. So but the way izinto zenzeka ngakhona kubukeka uMama Macele engathi she's the mother-in-law when it comes to everything that she does or says, you know. It's like manje uyeni mamezala lapha, and I'm like then abakaCele bese bangenaphi kanti abakaCele bangenaphi bafowethu? We can see them kuyo yonke lento ka wife number 5. They are too much phakathi inside, baze baya voice nje kuba bomzamselo kaBhat wife number 5. They are voicing yet ifamily kaMama Macele okuka ukuthi sizothi ayingendawo when it comes to amakhosikazi kababa uMsamseleko. Asibabona bengena nje when it comes to uMayeni, when it comes to uMakhumalo, when it comes to uMangwabe. Asibona umndeni wakaCele ungathi uyayifaka. Kodwa when it comes to uMakhwela, they are so into this one. I'm like njani mntakabawo kanti uMacele ngumamezala kaMakhwela noma phela the way we are shown things laphana ngathi nje amgqokise konke lokhu i-tradition le uMakhwela introducing okay ngiyayibona introduce inganeni, but yonke le izinto nokuthi nje kunabakaCele in this particular conversation uza voice ubhuti kaMacele bathi uthe uSibu azathi kuMakhwela bekwazi ukuthi uMsamseleku ufuna ingane. Athuke uMacele athi kusho umfowabo kaMacele talking to uMakhwela about how ubaba uMsamseleku ufuna ingane. Ungenaphi ungwakaCele? Like are you the one to tell uMakhwela ukuthi kufuneka ingane la ekhaya? Uze wethuka phela nayo sisi wakho uMacele wathi hayibo uzathi kumadari sessions when it comes to uSibu Nkosi yami mina nje futhi nje azange aphawule nje uvela athi yazini nje uphelelwa ngamagama because that brother is so way forward. Hey, uphakathi inside umndeni kaMama Macele endabeni zakaMseleku njani mntakabawo? Njani abantu basekhaya bangene kangaka endabeni zasemendeni wami bangene baze babe inside baze bazotshela unkosikazi omncane ukuthi phela umyeni wami ufuna ingane. Ubeke uMseleku kwahlala nabo phansi abatshela wathi hayi ngifuna ingane phela ndibo ngitshelela lamakhosikazi ukuthi ngifuna ingane mina. Sebezoyi-addressa leyo nto kuMakhwela bona since uSibu he voiced the brother of uMacele. Ay bafowethu like no and why yonke into ethi Makhwela iyenzelwa kaMacele abantu bathi ayi uMacele uthena kuMakhwela afucanga mamezala but ngathi umficile. The way izinto are unfolding angathi ugela umficile mamezala because Macele is handling everything ethi Makhwela. At this particular point I'm seeing uMacele as the mother-in-law. She just displays herself as mother-in-law. I do not know umseleku mhlambe omphoqayo ukuthi intombi ngithembe wena. yenza yonke into ethi Makhwela because hayi sokungathi manje ke uyena ke umama kaMusamseleko hayi unkosikazi kaMusamseleko. And as for the Cele family being iphakathi inside ikhona iphathi zothi sikhulume ngakho because angikayenza ivideo about ukugula kababa uMusamseleko and everything else that I saw bese sibhedlela. And kunabanye abathi ngingabothe esibhedlele. I think I've said it that like that before, but hey ngizogela abaningi bethe esibhedlele and angiboni nibaqondise bethi esibhedlele. But ngingathi esibhedlele I was attacked wathiwa sizulu bani leso. Mina ngithe esibhedlela guys, it was just a mistake, right? Sibabona bese esibhedlela and ubaba uMusamseleko egula kufika amakhosikazi kufika everyone else. Then uMangwabe kind of like mentioned ukuthi umndeni wakaCele yiwona ogulisa ubaba uMusamseleko. Angithi uMacele wenza meeting sisazokhuluma ngakho bafowethu. uMacele wenza meeting wabiza ke amakhosikazi umayeni wayala ukufika kwazofika uMangwabe noMakhumalo babona behleli and uthini uMacele uthi sonke sicontributile ekuguleni kukababakhe. Ebesethi uMangwabe hayi cha ngeke mina akayisho ngo same time but she said it on the diary sessions. Wathi ngibona ngathi uyaphazama uMacele mayithi sicontributile ngoba the way engazi ngakhona nje uqala ukugula ekhona ngale kaCele ukuthi abe busy bekunomndeni wakaCele whatever was happening. Usezothi thina sicontributile kanti izinto bezisenzeka khona le, right? Sisazoyikhuluma le yogula kababa uMusamseleko bafethu because ngathi uqale ngamehlo wathi amehlo ayadonseka amehlo athini esuka kaMangwabe kaMakhumalo and then wadonsa waya kaMaceleke ngoba bekumela ekhona ngathi uthi beyomithani umndeni wakaKhwela. Kwasho ukuthi manje ukugula ke kuyamqala wafika kaMaceleke basebemthatha bemsesibhedlela, right? See, we are still going to talk about that, but I wanted to say in this particular video ukuthi uthi uMangwabe I think abakaCele are the ones who contributed ekuguleni kaMusa kuba kuthiwa bebeloko bebusy bekhona ngalezi khona izinto ezimstressile abamstresse ngazo bona abakaCele benoMacele ngale. Why uMacele ethi thina njengamakhosikazi kababakhe sicontributile ekuguleni kwakhe? Hayi uMangwabe ngathi akavumelani naye, uthi bona abakaCele abaziyo ukuthi ugula nje kwenzekeni. But for me I'm saying uMseleko uyazilethela lokugula too much on his plate, too much stress, too much wives, too much this and this. I mean unkosikazi oyi-1 vele nisukeni nenkinga oyi-1, amakhosikazi amabili sekuyinkinga ezidouble, amathathu sekuyinkinga ke angaze zitribulekile whatever. Imagine 5 wives. Uyazinikeza inkinga kuningi ahlangabezana nako baba uMusamseleko, kuningi adilishana nako imikhuhlane ngeke izimiyeke. He's got a lot to deal with. He's got 5 wives onezingane nasizomhlupha nalo kuningi ngoba baba uMusamseleko. Obviously stress nayo yonke into. So I agree with uMangwabe. Angiboni ngamakhosikazi akhe nje kuphela. I think izinkinga yena azilethela zona, right? But we were just about abakaCele kule video ukuthi hayi they are too much into indaba zikaMacele emendeni wakhe. Can they just go back a little bit? Ngoba ningabakaCele then kuyonke yonke le ndaba kaMakhwela why ningathi ni too much in there, or maybe you were paid to come and just play the part, you know nabezinye izinto kuthiwa ke kuya-actiwa lapha kaMseleko. So we do not know mhlambe they are part of the acting because hayi abantakwethu seni too much inside njengabantu basekhweni, like you are just too much into this thing yakaMusamseleko noMakhwela. Usibu azathi kufuneka ingane kumele bazwe ngawe wesibu malume. Hayi ngichangeke bafethu. But anyways sizokhuluma ke kwenye video. Thank you so much. Sizothi uaddressa udaba lukababa uMusamseleko nokungena kwakhe esibhedlele. I mean some of people are saying esibhedlele. I don't see you guys correcting them. But when I say esibhedlele kuthiwe ngirong. Esibhedlela, that's my Ndebele esibhedlela bafethu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for watching this particular video. Like, subscribe, share. So bonana kwelandelayo. Bye.